Luxury, innovation, and freedom, all rolled into one. Welcome to the future of travel comfort. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends elegance with smart mobility. Let's start with the front exterior. Instantly recognizable, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome features a bold LED grille with the iconic illuminated three-pointed star at the center. The futuristic headlamps are seamlessly integrated into the flowing contours of the van's aerodynamic body. Its wide stance and flush surfaces hint at its electric powertrain, while still maintaining that unmistakable Mercedes sophistication. Swinging around to the rear, the minimalist design continues. Sleek vertical taillights frame a clean, contoured back door that opens effortlessly for cargo access or an open-air lounge experience. The rear spoiler and flush sensors give it a smart, refined touch. Every detail is tailored for function, style, and presence on the road. Step inside and you'll understand why this is more than just a camper. It's a rolling luxury suite. Up front, the driver's cockpit is pure Mercedes-Benz excellence. Dual digital displays, touch-sensitive controls, a panoramic windshield, and MBUX infotainment put everything at your fingertips. Whether you're navigating city streets or mountain roads, you'll do it in total command and comfort. Moving to the central lounge, you're greeted by plush, two-tone leather seating and customizable ambient lighting. A collapsible dining table, hidden storage compartments, and panoramic windows make it feel more like a private jet cabin than a van. Towards the rear, the cleverly elevated sleeping area features a memory foam double bed, overhead LED reading lights, and privacy curtains. Overhead cabinets provide more than enough space for your gear, all with soft close functionality. On the side, the kitchen is a chef's dream in miniature. An induction stove, deep stainless steel sink, smart microwave, and compact fridge are all seamlessly integrated. Every drawer is soft close, and the under-cabinet lighting gives it a modern, ambient glow. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, sits Mercedes' next-gen electric powertrain. The 2026 Motorhome is expected to feature a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup powered by a 100 to 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack, offering an estimated range of 300 to 350 miles on a single charge. It supports ultra-fast charging at up to 250 kilowatt, meaning you can get back on the road with an 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Regenerative braking and intelligent route planning are also on board, ensuring efficient and eco-conscious travel. With all this luxury, you're probably wondering about the price. While Mercedes-Benz has not officially released figures, Industry insiders predict the starting price to be around $160,000 to $190,000, depending on customizations and battery configurations. The official reveal is expected by late 2025, with deliveries starting in spring 2026. And yes, reservations are likely to open shortly after the official launch.